going to throw this 10-pound piece of clay. This is a Dover stoneware, porcelain, low grog, meaning less grit, and finer, takes on water faster, so I'm going to try my best to keep this on the drier side of throwing. So get some water on here. I'm going to go ahead and set my elbow into my leg or into my hip. Depends on your body and your anatomy. And I'm going to be using this part of my hand to really act as a wall and allow that clay to come to center. So, started out with a ball of clay that I wedged on the wedging board or the canvas board, and I'm going to basically push this whole glob down as I hold with my left hand and keep this center. Using my left hand as a wall, bringing the right hand up into the cone, and then pressing it down into the center. So again, holding the left hand, the left palm is like a wall, bringing that up, breathing. Don't forget to breathe. So pressing with my palm, bringing that large bulk of clay up, and then pressing it down. Using really the angles to help you as you center your piece of clay. And ideally I want to get to a place where my hands aren't moving too much around. This vessel that I'm about to make is going to be a large pot. And so I'm pretty satisfied with both the height and the centeredness of this. I'm going to flatten out the top with my finger, and then using this as a stabilizer, pressing down into the center of that. Pressing my fingers down to the center, and knowing how far I can go till I get to the bottom. I'm going to commit to this line right here, which would be about 430. So I'm going to stay at 430, keeping my fingers strong. I'm really going to finish out the bottom of this while I'm here, pressing my fingers at the base, bringing up that wall with my fingers, acting like a template, kind of stacking. So help bring up the little last bit of the wall, and I'll finish it off. Form by pushing out with a rib in my fingers, pushing that clay out and using the amount that's down there to create a wider form. So I'm going to trim up the very, very bottom, a little bit of a lip so I can get in there and pull this off. So take my cutting tool and clean it off and place it down onto the bat and pull directly back toward me.